Good morning students, welcome to my video lectures. First Brahmanad. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. In last class we discussed equation of a plane in normal form and passing through a single point. Okay, equation of the plane in normal form in both Cartesian form as well as in vectorial form. In Cartesian form, equation of the plane is Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P, where P is known as perpendicular distance from origin to the plane, and Lmn are the directional quotient of normal to the plane. Okay, in vectorial form, equation of the plane is r vector dot n cap is equal to P. R vector dot n cap is equal to P, where n cap is the unit normal vector and P is the perpendicular distance from the origin to the plane. Okay, today we are going to discuss equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points. Equation of plane in intercept form, equation of plane passing through two given points and perpendicular to a given plane. Next, equation of plane passing through a single point and perpendicular to two given planes. Also, angle between two planes. Okay. So first, equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points. Okay. Equation of the plane passing through three non-collinear points. Non-collinear points. Okay. Three non-collinear points. Okay, this is a plane. This is a plane. Suppose the plane passing through 3 points. This is A, this one B, this one C, this one C, and this one D. Sorry, three non-collinear points A, B, C. Okay, all 3 points lies on a single plane having coordinates x1, y1, z1, or PV is r1 vector, B x2, y2, z2, PV is r2 vector, C x3, y3, z3, PV is r3 vector. Okay, let P be any point on the plane. These are the fixed point. A, B, C are fixed point, where P is any point on the plane having coordinate x, y, z. Position vector is r vector. Okay, this is P. A, this is C, this is B. Okay, so first find AP vector, next find AB vector, next find AC vector. So all three lines AP, AB, AC all are lies in a single plane. So they are called coplanar. They are called coplanar. Again, AB cross AC. AB cross AC is perpendicular to the plane. AB cross AC is perpendicular to the AB and AC. Since AB and AC lies on a plane, therefore AB cross AC is also perpendicular to the plane. So this is a plane. So this is a point, single point A भाव. तो AB AC तो AB cross AC means this is AB cross, this is AB cross AC. तो AB cross AC is perpendicular both AB and AC, therefore AB cross AC perpendicular to the plane. Hence AB cross AC is perpendicular to also AP. Therefore AB cross AC dot AP is equal to 0. Okay. Yes. Let we know that equation of plane, general equation of plane means ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. So ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. In this case a, b, c, d are 4 constants. So dividing both sides by d, that means a by d into x plus b by d into y plus c by d into z is equal to 1. So a by d is one constant, b by d is another constant, c by d is another constant. So there are 3 arbitrary constants. Since equation of plane containing 3 arbitrary constants, therefore we required minimum 3 conditions to form equation of a plane. Equation of plane formation करिया पाई minimum 3 condition दरकार. Okay, because equation of plane containing 3 arbitrary constant or 3 independent constant. बेले क्वेश्चन आसी पारे how many independent constants are there in equation of a plane? So answer is 3, because equation of plane containing 3 arbitrary constants, a by d, b by d and c by d. Okay, therefore minimum 3 conditions are required to form equation of a plane. Okay, so here 3 non-collinear points means equation of plane passing through 3 non-collinear points. So 3 non-collinear points means 3 conditions. Okay. Suppose the required plane passing through 3 non-collinear points, non-collinear points, and they are a bracket x1 y1 z1, b bracket x2 y2 z2, and c bracket x3 y3 z3. Okay, let capital P having coordinate x comma y comma z be any points on the plane, any points on the plane. Okay, let the PV of A is R1 vector, B is R2 vector, C is R3 vector, and P is R vector. Okay, therefore AP vector is equal to R vector minus R1 vector. AB vector is equal to R vector minus AC. AB means R2 vector minus R1 vector. AC vector is equal to R3 vector minus R1 vector. Okay. AP, AB and AC lies on a single plane, so they are coplanar, Okay, now AB cross AC, AB vector cross AC vector is perpendicular to both AB and AC. perpendicular to the plane containing AB vector and AC vector. Okay, AB vector and AC vector. Therefore AB cross AC is also perpendicular to AP vector, because AP lies on a same plane. AB AC AP lies on a single plane. जेहेतु AB cross AC perpendicular to both AB and AC, therefore AB cross AC perpendicular to what? AP. Means this is ठीक अच्छे. तो दिस इज AB क्रॉस SC ऊपर उठा था. X1 Y1 Z1 एयर पॉइंट है. दिस इज AB क्रॉस SC. तो AB क्रॉस SC परपेंडिकुलर टू कौन? प्लेन. AB क्रॉस SC परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन. ओके है नहीं? तो therefore AP dot AB cross SC is equal to 0. Therefore AP dot AP is perpendicular AB cross SC. Therefore AP dot AB cross SC is equal to 0. Okay. So what is AP vector? AP vector means R vector minus R1 vector dot R2 vector minus R1 vector cross R3 vector minus R1 vector is equal to what? 0. This is the equation of the plane in vectorical form. Equation of the plane in vectorical form passing through three non-collinear points whose position vectors are given. Okay. So this is called scalar triple product. कहीं देखो this is called scalar triple product, because suppose this is small a, this is small b, this is small c, a dot b cross c, a vector dot b cross c is called scalar triple product. Okay, तो नोट कर दो. देखिए नोट a vector dot b cross c is known as scalar triple product. Okay, it is denoted by square bracket a vector b vector c vector. Square bracket a vector b vector है कौन? c vector. Okay, again a dot b cross c is known as scalar triple product. It is denoted by square bracket a b c. Okay, अच्छा, let a vector is equal to x1 I cap plus y1 a1, a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap. B vector is equal to b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. C vector is equal to c1 I cap plus c2 j cap plus c3 k cap. Therefore square bracket a dot b cross c is equal to square bracket abc is equal to determinant form. First a vector given, so I j k coefficient, this is a1 a2 a3. Next b vector b1 b2 b3 c1 c2 c3 are determinant. Okay, this is called a scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. Okay. So we have AP vector dot AB cross AC is equal to 0. So this is called a scalar triple product. This is called what? Scalar triple product. So we can write square bracket AP AB AC. So we can write this form is equal to 0. So what is the AP vector? AP means this is XYZ. P means what? P coordinate XYZ. So x minus x1 AP vector means x minus x1 I cap plus y minus y1 j cap plus z minus z1 k cap. Okay. AB vector. So x2 minus x1 I cap plus y2 minus y1 j cap plus z2 minus z1 k cap. AC vector. x3 minus x1 I cap plus y3 minus y1 j cap plus z3 minus z1 k cap. This is the AC vector. So देखो compare करो, small a vector means AP vector, small b vector means AB vector, small c vector means AC vector. Okay. तो AP dot AB cross AC means कौन आसियो ए फॉर्म आसियो डिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म ए दिस फॉर्म रे आसियो हमर. ओके. Therefore AP dot AB cross AC is equal to determinant form. AP रो ij के रो कोफिशिएंट फर्स्ट रो तो x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1. सेकेंड रो AB रो x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1. थर्ड रो x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1 is equal to what? 0. This is AP dot AB cross AC. Okay, this is AP dot AB cross AC is equal to this. So equation of plane कौन আছে हमरा? So equation of the plane is AP dot AB cross SC is equal to 0. So this implies determinant form x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1, x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is in vectorial form. It is in vectorial form. It is in vectorial form. Okay. Vectorial form. This is equation of plane passing through three noncollinear points. कहले यही फॉर्म करिबा. ओके. In Cartesian form. Okay. Let A bracket x1 y1 z1 B bracket x2 y2 z2 C bracket x3 y3 z3. The required plane passing through these 3 points are non-collinear points. The required plane passing through the required plane passing through these 3 points. We have to find the equation of the plane. Okay, we have to find the equation of the plane. Acha. We know that equation of the plane passing through कैपिटल A ब्रैकेट रे x1 y1 z1 is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Equation 1. This is the equation of plane passing through a single point. Equation of plane passing through a point means this is the equation of plane. A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Okay. Acha. Since the plane 1 passing through b bracket re x2 y2 z2, then equation 1 is कौन पाइब जेहेतु x2 y2 z2 देखिए पास कर प्लेन डा तो x2 y2 z2 साटिस्फाई कर प्लेन इक्वेशन को. ओके तो इक्वेशन 1 इज कौन पाइब a इंटू x जगह x2 माइनस x1 प्लस b इंटू y जगह y2 माइनस y1 प्लस c इंटू z जगह z2 माइनस z1 इज इक्वल टू 0. इक्वेशन 2. See the plane 1 passing through b bracket x2 y2 z2, then equation 1 becomes this. Equation 1 becomes etiki. Also the plane 1 passing through c bracket x3 y3 z3, then equation 1 becomes कौन होगा again x जगह x3 a into x3 minus x1 plus b into y3 minus y1 plus c into z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is equation 3. तो हमें तीनटा इक्वेशन पाइले 1 2 3. एलिमिनेटिंग abc और अननोन क्वांटिटी तो एलिमिनेटिंग ABC from equation 1 2 and equations 1 2 and 3 we get determinant for first column A रो coefficient first column A रो coefficient first column A रो coefficient देखो कौन अच्छी x माइनस x1 ये आसला x2 माइनस x1 ये आसो x3 माइनस x1. A रो कोफिशिएंट फर्स्ट कॉलम B रो कोफिशिएंट सेकंड कॉलम y माइनस y1 y2 माइनस y1 y3 माइनस y1. नेक्स्ट C रो कोफिशिएंट z माइनस z1 z2 माइनस z1 z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane. This is the required equation of the plane, which is the required equation of the plane passing through A, B, C and C points. Okay, passing through A, B and C points. So you can do the questions in Cartesian form, or you can do in also vectorial form. है क्वेश्चन जो कही कार्टेशियन फॉर्म कर क्वेश्चन कह वेक्टोरियल फॉर्म कहले वेक्टोरियल फॉर्म रे कर. ओके क्वेश्चन फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू 3 points 2 5 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3 5 थर्ड वन 5 3 minus 3. ओके तो सॉल्यूशन देखा टिके सॉल्यूशन इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन passing through 2 5 minus 3 is the x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 x3 y3 z3 is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. x1 y1 z1, x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. Okay, this is equation 1. The plane 1 passing through the point -2, -3, -5. So equation 1 becomes x जगह -2 पक, y जगह -3 पक, z जगह 5 पक. तो a इंटू -2 x जगह -2, y जगह -3, z जगह 5 प्लस b इंटू -3 -5 प्लस c इंटू 5 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. तो टिके सिंप्लीफाई कले -4a -8b प्लस 8c इज इक्वल टू 0. इक्वेशन 2 और 4 द्वारा कैंसिल कर दिले हम, कैंसिल कर दियो 4 द्वारा -4 द्वारा कैंसिल कर दियो. तो a प्लस 2b -2c इज इक्वल टू 0. इक्वेशन 2 कौन कली डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाय -4 कॉमन द्वारा कैंसिल कर दिले हला. तापर नेक्स्ट द प्लेन 1 also passing through the point कौन ना 5 3 -3. सो इक्वेशन 1 becomes ए पॉइंट सैटिस्फाई करिवो, ए पॉइंट कौन इक्वेशन 1 को सैटिस्फाई करिवो. तो a इंटू x जगह 5 पुट कर 5 -2 प्लस b इंटू y जगह 3 पुट कर 3 -5 y जगह 3 पकड़ी प्लस c इंटू z जगह -3 पकड़ी z जगह -3 प्लस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. -3 प्लस 3 इक्वल व्हाट 0. x जगह 5 y जगह 3 z जगह -3. तो कौन सा 5 -2 मीन्स 3a -2b कैंसिल हो गला प्लस 0c इज इक्वल टू 0. इक्वेशन 3. ओके, तो एलिमिनेटिंग abc फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 2 3, एलिमिनेटिंग abc फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 2 and 3 we get कौन आसो डिटरमिनेंट फॉर्म. फास्ट आसला ए रो कोफिशिएंट गोटे कॉलम, ए रो कोफिशिएंट गोटे कॉलम. तो ए रो कोफिशिएंट ए रो कोफिशिएंट x -2 अच्छी x -2 एटी ए रो कोफिशिएंट 1 आ देखो एटी 1 एटी ए रो कोफिशिएंट कौन अच्छी 3 तो 3. नेक्स्ट b रो कोफिशिएंट y -5, नेक्स्ट b रो कोफिशिएंट 2, नेक्स्ट b रो कोफिशिएंट -2, नेक्स्ट c रो कोफिशिएंट z +3, नेक्स्ट c रो कोफिशिएंट -2, नेक्स्ट c रो कोफिशिएंट 0, c टर्म नहीं अर्थ 0 इज इक्वल टू 0. एलिमिनेटिंग कौन कली मु abc फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 2 and 3 we get 1 2 3 we get कौन आछो डिटरमिनेंट फॉर फर्स्ट कॉलम कोफिशिएंट ऑफ a, सेकंड कॉलम कोफिशिएंट ऑफ b, थर्ड कॉलम कोफिशिएंट ऑफ c फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 2 3 रा मानिबा. एटा को एक्सपांड करो, एक्सपांडिंग दिस इक्वेशन वी गेट रिक्वायर्ड इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन. ओके, तो एक्सपांडिंग द इक्वेशन कौन गला एक्सपांड कौन देखो x -2 इंटू फर्स्ट रो छाड़ दिल, फर्स्ट कॉलम छाड़ा 2 इंटू 0 -4, तो 0 -4. ओके, -2 प्लस 4 अगेन एडा माइनस करिबा माइनस y -5 प्लस y -5 इंटू सेकेंड रो छाड़, सेकेंड कॉलम छाड़ 1 इंटू 0 0 माइनस प्लस 6 तापर प्लस z +3 इंटू फर्स्ट रो छाड़, थर्ड कॉलम छाड़ 1 इंटू -2 -6 is equal to -2 -6 is equal to 0. तो implies implies multiply करो, this is minus 4x plus 8 minus 4x plus 8 now we do multiply करो minus 6y plus 30 minus minus plus 30 this is minus 2z minus 8z minus 8z minus 24 is equal to 0. That means minus 4x minus 6y minus 8z. This is 30 minus 24 6 plus 8 14 is equal to 0. So 2d cancel कर दिया minus 2d, so it becomes 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 7 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the plane, which is the required equation of the plane passing through given points. Okay, next equation of the plane in intercept form. Okay, equation of the plane in intercept form. Intercept means plane टा कट करिबो x axis को जो पॉइंट रे, that is called suppose मानकर a, तो OA is called x intercept. The plane cut y axis at B, then OB is called y intercept छेदांश, and the plane cut z axis at C, then OC is called z intercept. Okay, the plane meet the coordinate axis the plane meet the coordinate axis OX, OY, OZ, OX, OY and OZ at capital A, comma capital B and capital C respectively. Okay, capital A, capital B, capital C respectively. Let the intercept intercepts on the axis OX, comma OY and OZ are OX, OY, OZ are small a, comma small b, comma small c. Okay, are small a, comma small b and small c respectively. Okay, respectively. That is, this is x axis, this one y axis, this one z, this is origin. Okay, so this is capital A and this is capital B and this is capital C. This is the plane, means plane यसला plane टा मित्र है वो plane. Okay, तो a length है small a length है small b, a length है small c. तो OA is equal to small a, OB is equal to small b, OC is equal to small c. Therefore, coordinate of capital A. Therefore, the coordinate of capital A is A, 0 0 because A lies in x axis. On x axis y coordinate 0, z coordinate 0. Similarly, the coordinate of B is 0 B 0 and coordinate of C is 0 0 small c. So these 3 points are non-collinear points. These 3 points are non-collinear points. They form a triangular plane. Okay. So equation of plane passing through ABC. ABC are non-collinear. ABC are non-collinear points. Okay. So equation of the plane. Let the equation of plane passing through A, B, C. Equation of plane passing through the points ABC. Passing through ABC is determinant form. Determinant form x minus x1. This is x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3. So x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Okay? So देखो ताहले the determinant form x minus x1, x1 is A, y minus y1, y minus 0, z minus 0, x2 minus x1, 0 minus A, b minus 0, 0 minus 0. Next, z3 minus z1, 0 minus A, 0 minus 0, c minus 0 is equal to 0. एक्सपांड करें हमें ना नहीं एक्सपांड करो तो इम्प्लाइज x माइनस ए दिस x माइनस ए y z माइनस ए b 0 0 सॉरी माइनस ए 0 c इज इक्वल टू 0. तो x माइनस ए इंटू बी सी माइनस 0 minus y into minus AC minus 0 plus z into 0 plus FB is equal to 0 और XBC minus FBC plus ACY plus FBZ is equal to 0 और this is XBC plus SCY plus FBZ is equal to FBC. Okay, so dividing both side by ABC, dividing both side by ABC, we get कौन पाइलो x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1, which is the equation of plane which is the equation of the plane in intercept form. Intercept form. तो x तले जो रहला x intercept, a is called x intercept, b y intercept, c z intercept. Okay. And the plane meet x axis at a 0 0, y axis at 0 b 0 and z axis at 0 0 c. The plane meet x axis. The plane meet x axis at a 0 0, y axis at 0 b 0, z axis at 0 0 c. Okay. Some notes देखो ये some notes. One, equation of the plane parallel to x axis parallel to x axis is of the form by plus z plus d is equal to 0. by plus z plus d is equal to 0. Parallel to x axis means x, so normal to the plane is perpendicular to x axis. Normal to the plane is perpendicular to x axis. So DRS of x axis is a0 0. DRS of normal to the plane is 0 BC. Okay, so दुईटा एक परपेंडिकुलर हो मीन्स a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Next to equation of the plane parallel to y axis is of the form y axis means ax y को छाड़ी plus cz plus d is equal to 0. 3 equation of the plane parallel to z axis is of the form z छाड़ी ax plus by plus d is equal to 0. 4 equation of the plane perpendicular to x axis is x is equal to constant. Perpendicular to x axis means perpendicular to x axis अर्थ कौन को प्लेन perpendicular to x axis zy plane yz plane perpendicular to x axis. तो इक्वेशन ऑफ yz plane means x is equal to 0. तो parallel to yz plane means x is equal to constant. Next 5 equation of the plane perpendicular to y axis is y equal to constant. 6 equation of the plane perpendicular to z axis is z is equal to constant. Remember this हला एटा यूज करी प्रॉब्लम करि परिबो. ओके, रिडक्शन फ्रॉम जनरल फॉर्म टू इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म एंड नॉर्मल फॉर्म. रिडक्शन फ्रॉम general form to intercept form. Reduction from general form to intercept form. Equation of the plane in general form is x plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Reduced to कौन इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म दैट मीन्स x by a plus y by b plus z by c is equal to 1 देखे हमें हाँ नहीं. तो ठीक अच्छी तो राइट साइड को कांस्टेंट टर्म नहीं जाओ ax plus by plus cz is equal to what minus d. कौन कर ले कांस्टेंट टर्म को मुझे राइट साइड नहीं कर ले. ओके, डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाय माइनस डी. डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाय minus d. Okay, so this is minus a by d into x plus minus b by d into y plus minus c by d into z is equal to 1. तो आउट टी सिंप्लीफाई कले x डिवाइड बाय माइनस d by a प्लस y डिवाइड बाय माइनस d by b प्लस z डिवाइड बाय माइनस d by c is equal to 1. x divided by minus d by a plus y divided by minus d by b plus z divided by minus d by c is equal to 1. Condition d not is equal to 0. d not equal to कौन 0 और d. ओके, तो ये हमारा कौन इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन इन इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म. इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन इन इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म. ओके, so this is equation of the plane in intercept form. This is general equation of the plane which is in intercept form. Intercept form. Okay, next equation of plane reduction from general form to what? Normal form. General form to what? Normal form. Okay. General form to normal form. Normal form. Okay. Normal form means, first write down equation of the plane in general form. General is x plus by plus z plus d is equal to 0. Ax plus by plus z plus d equal to 0. Equation of the plane in normal form. Equation of the plane in normal form is Lx plus my plus nz is equal to p. Both the planes, both 1 and 2 are same plane. Both 1 and 2 are same plane. दुईटा गोटे ही प्लेन, इक्वेशन अलग बट प्लेन गोटे. तो बाय कंडीशन ऑफ आइडेंटिकल DNTICL आइडेंटिकल एक्स रो कोएफिशिएंट रेशियो L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C is equal to P by D. P by minus D is equal to P by minus D. L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C is equal to P by minus D. Okay. Implies L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C is equal to minus P by D is equal to plus or minus square root of L square plus M square plus N square by square root of A square plus B square plus C square by ratio and proportion method. By ratio and proportion. So implies L by A is equal to M by B is equal to N by C is equal to minus P by D is equal to plus or minus 1 by root A square plus B square plus C square, because now L square plus M square plus N square is equal to what? DCS. DCS are normal to the plane. What is P? P is the perpendicular distance from origin to the plane. Okay. So find L. So L is equal to, therefore L is equal to plus or minus A by root A square plus B square plus C square. M is equal to plus or minus B by root A square plus B square plus C square. N is equal to plus or minus C by root A square plus B square plus C square. And P is equal to minus or plus D by root A square plus B square plus C square. L, M, N are same sign but P is opposite. Okay. तो आमे कौन करें ताहले L जगह M जगह N जगह ये वैल्यू जगह पुट कले आमे कौन पाई जाए इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन इन नॉर्मल फॉर्म पाई जाए. गिवन अच्छी कौन दिस इज द गिवन प्लेन ax plus by plus z plus d equal to 0 is the given plane in general form अच्छी. ताको reduce करते कौन आमे नॉर्मल फॉर्म रे. ओके. तो put the value of LMN, put the value of LMN in equation 2. We get plus or minus A divided by root A square plus B square plus C square into X plus or minus B by root A square plus B square plus C square into Y plus or minus C by root A square plus B square plus C square into Z is equal to minus or plus D by root A square plus B square plus C square. Okay. तो there are two equation आछी, प्लस आछी और माइनस आछी. तो आम राइट साइड को धरिक आम चेक करवा कोटा प्लस हम कि माइनस हम, बिकज राइट साइड इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. दिस साइड इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. राइट साइड इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. पॉजिटिव कहीं पॉजिटिव हम, दिस इज द लेंथ. यहाँ कौन आमर गोटे लेंथ. तो लेंथ इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. तो यहीटा को धरिक आम कौन करवा सिचुएशन कंट्रोल करवा मीन्स एटा को पॉजिटिव ना पड़ो सपोज डी इज नेगेटिव ताल नेगेटिव ना पड़े डी नेगेटिव 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 पॉजिटिव ये डी पॉजिटिव ताल कौन ना पड़े पॉजिटिव ना पड़ो ओके तो साइन टा डिपेंड कर साइन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन डिपेंड ऑन द राइट साइड है तो पी कौन पी इज इक्वल कौन परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम ओरिजिन टू द प्लेन आसो माइनस प्लस डी बाय रूट ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर एटा पॉजिटिव ना पड़े दिस इज पॉजिटिव ओके तो आपको बेसिक क्वेश्चन देखी दिस इज ए क्वेश्चन रेड्यूस द इक्वेशन 2x प्लस 6y प्लस 3z प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0 टू इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म एंड normal form. Also write the points where the plane meet coordinate axis. को पॉइंट रे प्लेन टा कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस को मीट कर भी बाहर करने कही ओके तो सॉल्यूशन देखा टिके इक्वेशन ऑफ द गिवन प्लेन इक्वेशन ऑफ द गिवन प्लेन इज 2x प्लस 6y प्लस 3z प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0 इक्वेशन 1 तो फास्ट आम कौन करें इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म करवा ओके अच्छा दिस इम्प्लाइज 2x प्लस 6y प्लस 3z इज इक्वल टू व्हाट माइनस 9 डिवाइडिंग बोथ साइड बाई माइनस 9 तो 2x बाई माइनस 9 प्लस 6y बाई माइनस 9 प्लस 3z बाई माइनस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0 ओके नाउ दिस इज इक्वल टू x बाई माइनस 9 बाई 2 टूटा तलू आन दियो प्लस y बाई माइनस 9 बाई 6 प्लस z बाई माइनस 9 बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू 0 से 0 9 दिस इज 1 डिवाइडिंग बस 1 नहीं कि 9 प्राइस 1 तो इम्प्लाइज x बाई माइनस 9 बाई 2 प्लस y बाई माइनस 3 बाई 2 प्लस z बाई माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 1 तो दिस इज इन इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म विच इज इन इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द गिवन प्लेन एटा हमारे इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म अच्छी द प्लेन मीट एक्स एक्सिस द गिवन प्लेन मीट एक्स एक्सिस एट एक्स तले कि अच्छी माइनस 9 बाई 2 तो माइनस 9 बाई 2 0 0 वाई एक्सिस एट एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट 0 वाई कोऑर्डिनेट माइनस 3 बाई 2 0 एंड जेड एक्सिस एट एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट 0 वाई कोऑर्डिनेट 0 जेड कोऑर्डिनेट माइनस 3 तो माइनस 3 तो इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म आसीगला कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस मीट फाइंड द पॉइंट वेयर द प्लेन मीट कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस आसीगला नेक्स्ट रेड्यूस टू कौन करिया रेड्यूस टू नॉर्मल फॉर्म करिया बर्तमान इंटरसेप्ट फॉर्म आसीगला नेक्स्ट कौन करिया रेड्यूस टू नॉर्मल फॉर्म ओके देखो ए कौन करिया नॉर्मल फॉर्म करिया सेम इक्वेशन गिवन प्लेन इज 2x प्लस 6y प्लस 3z प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0 तो 9 टाक राइट साइड नहीं जाओ तो 2x प्लस 6y प्लस 3z इज इक्वल टू माइनस 9 इज इक्वल कौन नहीं है माइनस 9 देख राइट साइडटा माइनस 9 आसीगला जो राइट साइडटा प्लस आसता तो टेंशन ना बर्तमान माइनस आसीगला गोटे काम कर सब राइट साइडटा को पॉजिटिव करने ट्राई कर तो मल्टीप्लाइंग -1 to make right side is positive okay multiplying -1 to make right side is positive right side is positive this implies -2x -6y minus 3z is equal to plus 9. So right side ta positive asila. Next, dividing both side by square root of both side by square root of x रो क्वेश्चन का minus 2 रो स्क्वायर प्लस minus 6 रो स्क्वायर प्लस minus 3 रो स्क्वायर तो केता आछी दिस इज 4 प्लस 36 प्लस 9 तो 40 प्लस 9 7 आसीला तो implies minus 2x minus 6y minus 3z by 7 is equal to 9 by 7. Dividing both side by कौन है square root of minus 2 रो square plus minus 6 रो square plus minus 3 रो square तो implies minus 2 by 7 into x plus minus 6 by 7 into y plus minus 3 by 7 into z is equal to 9 by 7. This is the equation of the plane in normal form. Which is the equation of the plane? Which is the equation of the plane in normal form? Normal form. What is P? P बचरी पारे मध्य हला नहीं. P is equal to 9 by 7 is equal to perpendicular distance from origin to the given plane. 9 by 7 is the perpendicular distance from origin to the given plane. Okay? जानी पारलो. Next, angle between two planes. अच्छा, angle between two planes means angle between the normals at the point of intersection. Okay? Angle between two planes means angle between two planes means angle between their normals, angle between their normals, angle between their normals. Okay, देखो, this is one plane, this is another plane. Okay, तो ये है एंगल थीटा, तो ये है कौन एंगल थीटा. तो यही फर्स्ट प्लेन ना सेकंड प्लेन तो फर्स्ट प्लेन ये है नॉर्मल मीन सब परपेंडिकुलर टू द प्लेन. ओके, तो ये है नॉर्मल n1 वेक्टर. दिस इज नॉर्मल n2 इज द नॉर्मल कहार ना सेकंड प्लेन रो. तो ये है थीटा. ओके, आपन जे बढ़ेदेबा आम दिस इज थीटा दिस इज पाई माइनस थीटा. ओके, दिस इज कौन पाई माइनस थीटा. ओके, ठीक अच्छे. लेट फर्स्ट आसला वेक्टोरियल फॉर्म. लेट इक्वेशन ऑफ द प्लेन्स r vector dot n1 vector is equal to d1 constant and r vector dot n2 vector is equal to d2 equation 2 where n1 vector and n2 vector are normal vector of plane 1 and plane 2 respectively. Okay, let theta be the angle between two planes. Therefore theta be the angle between their normals. Okay, now n1 vector dot n2 vector is equal to what? Now n1 रो mod into n2 रो mod into cos theta. So this implies theta is equal to cos inverse n1 vector dot n2 vector divided by mod of n1 into mod of n2. This is the angle theta. This is actually mod or plus or minus नहीं पर acute angle कहले taking positive sign, obtuse angle कहले taking कना negative sign. So this is Cartesian form. Okay, remember this formula. Simply कौन करिवो n1 vector dot n2 vector divided by mod of n1 into mod of n2. आगे कौन रहेगा cos inverse the angle between two कौन planes. Condition if two planes are perpendicular then n1 vector dot n2 vector will be 0 because theta is 90 degree, so cos 90 0. Second, if two planes are parallel then n1 vector is equal to some scalar multiple of n2 vector. Theta is 0 degree or 180 degree. हला तो n1 vector is equal to some scalar multiple of कौन हबो n2 vector हबो. Okay. In Cartesian form let theta be the angle between two planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. So here n1 vector means a1 I cap plus b1 j cap plus c1 k cap. n2 vector means what? a2 I cap plus b2 j cap plus c2 k cap. So in vectorial form अच्छा ठीक है n1 vector dot n2 vector केता आसीबो तो a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 n1 dot n2 mod of n1 कौन पाइबो square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square mod of n2 vector square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square हला from vectorial form theta is equal to cos inverse n1 vector dot n2 vector divided by mod of n1 into mod of n2. So implies theta is equal to cos inverse what is n1 dot n2 now a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Okay, mod नहीं actually acute angle कहले taking positive sign, obtuse angle कहले taking कौन negative sign. So this is angle between two planes in Cartesian form. Angle between two planes in Cartesian form. x y z रो कोएफिशिएंट नहीं कराई छी. Okay, next आसबो कौन condition of perpendicularity. Okay, two planes are perpendicular then a1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Remember this property because theta is 90 degree cos 90 is 0. Next condition of parallelism कौन two planes are parallel then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 means semanଙ୍କର direction ratio are in proportional, DRS are in proportional. Third condition of identical means coincide, means two planes ମିଶିଯିବେ. This is parallel, this is coincide. Okay, so two planes are coincide if two planes are identical, then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 is equal to d1 by d2. Only parallel means not is equal to d1 by d2. Coincide means is equal to also going to have d1 by d2. Okay, these are the condition. There is a question, find the angle between the planes 2y minus 3j plus 4k dot r is equal to 1 and minus I plus j dot r is equal to 4. Okay, this is n1 dot r is equal to d1 and n2 dot r is equal to d2. Angle between बाहर करिए हमें. Okay, solution. Given equation of the given planes are equation of the given planes are 2i minus 3j plus 4k dot r is equal to 1. This is n1 vector dot r is equal to d1. So implies n1 vector is equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k and d1 is equal to 1. Okay, and minus I plus j dot r is equal to 4. So this implies n2 vector dot r is equal to d2. So this implies n2 vector is equal to minus I plus j, d2 is equal to 4. Okay, let theta be the angle between two given planes. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse n1 vector dot n2 vector by mode of n1 into mode of n2. Okay, so n1 vector dot n2 vector. n1 means what? 2i minus 3j plus 4k dot n2 means I plus j. n2 means what? I plus j. तो dot करो तो minus 2 minus 3 and 0. So that's like minus 5. Mode of n1, the mode of 2i minus 3j plus 4k. So is equal to square root of 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square. 16 plus 25, 29, root 29. Mode of n2 is equal to minus 1 square plus 1 square is equal to root 2. Okay, so therefore theta is equal to cos inverse. Find the angle को है जी. तो cos inverse n1 dot n2 means what? minus 5 by root 29 into root 2 is equal to cos inverse minus 5 by root 58. This is the angle between two planes. Okay, the acute angle को है इतना cos inverse simply 5 by root 58 नितना में. Okay, the next class we shall do the problems of exercise and also perpendicular distance from the point to the given plane. Okay.